We're about to talk to Andy McLeod, the Chief Executive of Claresys, about life at Milton Park. Andy, can you tell me a little bit about what Claresys do?
We produce a range of surveillance optics, particularly lenses, that we provide to both the intelligence and the law enforcement agencies worldwide.
How many people do you have working here at Milton Park?
We're just starting out, so we've only got 3 people at the moment, but we're actually recruiting to double that number right now, and we expect to grow to even double that within the next 18 months or so.
Why did you choose Milton Park as your business location?
Well, actually, Claresys is the third startup business that I've brought onto Milton Park, and what I really love is the fact that there's such a range of accommodation here, all under one management team. Because a small startup business, the growth is very unpredictable. So what MEPC have been able to give me is the accommodation I need, combined with terms that are sufficiently flexible that I can cope with that different growth as it happens.
How do you see the future of the economy for the Oxford region?
Well, we work with a number of subcontractors who are here in South Oxfordshire, particularly precision engineering companies, and they all seem to be crazy busy at the moment, which is a good sign. But obviously, in the medium term, what those businesses like ourselves need is the ability to continue to finance growth, and I think that's where the pressure point is going to be. Also, Oxfordshire really has been a good place to recruit key skills, but we need to maintain the ability of Oxfordshire to attract people, because even in tough times, recruiting world-class staff is difficult, and we've got to offer the same sort of quality of life that they're looking for both inside and outside work.
Taking that into account, what improvements would you like to see in the local infrastructure?
Well, I think there's more we should be doing on greener energy. In particular, I'd like to see things like charging points for electric vehicles. I'd like to see, we have a power station as our nearest neighbour, so things like district heating ought to be more common. We've got acres of roof space, which should be able to support solar power generation. And like it or not, a business park is probably a better place to site a wind turbine than in the favourite local beauty spot. So I think there's more we could be doing in that area.
And finally, what do you see as being the 3 major challenges for your business in the next 12 months?
Well, for us, really, the key thing is trying to maintain our level of growth. We sell principally to government agencies, and as we all know, government funding is tight at the moment. So that's going to mean we're going to have to concentrate on markets where there aren't quite so many constraints, like the Far East. Also, I think for us, maintaining the pace of innovation. What we do is try and keep the good guys one step ahead in terms of their capability. So to be able to bring new products to market quickly will be critical for us. And thirdly, we have to get smarter at in-house manufacturing. In order to do that, we need to recruit more people. We need to put in place the skills developments required. And that will help us to maintain lead times and also to hopefully improve margins, which is key to maintaining our competitiveness in the middle term.